I'll probably go ahead and do him, and if he comes out good, fine, I'll use him. If he looks stupid, I can just close the hatch. And basically all you're doing is shooting from directly above. Right, finally going to get started on these figures, both the figure for the Jeep and then the figure for the M1 Abrams tank. All right, just got done with that dull coat, and that's pretty much the finished product. Then this guy's going to go in the tank, and FYI, those antenna for the tank arrived, so I'll put those back there. All right, returning to the tank to complete the figure and the antenna. So you recall I was going to do that figure separately, and I did it along with the figure for my Jeep. So there's the Commander, and I think he came out pretty good. His hand is resting right where it's supposed to. I mean, these kits are just awesome. So I'm going to do those antenna now. And while I was working on the Jeep, those antenna finally arrived. Orange Hobby spring antenna mast base for modern U.S. military vehicles. This kit is pretty nice. It comes with 4 of these antenna, and it's basically 3 parts. So this antenna piece runs, you know, the whole length, and then this simulates the spring, and then this base. So I believe what you do is drill this out to that width, insert that, and then this should just slide right in. And then I need to paint them. So I believe they were both the field drab. I've been going through all my bits to try to find the right one, and then, you know, sizing this up, and I actually think this base piece is actually the same width as the kit part that comes up. So I think all I need to do is to drill out this hole that already exists so that this shaft can fit in there, and basically replicate this part, and then just the spring, and the rest of it will come up. And I believe this is the right one. So now I'm going to use this bit to drill out these holes. All right, there's one done. Just used that bit and just kept drilling it and kept test fitting it. And so that's one down. Now I'll do that other one. Okay, so on this side then, I took the larger bit and drilled out that base to put that base piece in there. And so now the 2 sides, you know, look similar, or heck, almost the same. Now put those in there and paint those up. All right, there we go. So again, on that far side, I used the base and kind of drilled that and put that in. And then on this side, used the existing piece. And yeah, I think those came out, they look, you know, pretty similar to me. So now it's a matter of paint. Do I brush paint it, or do I mask and shoot it? Okay, I ended up brush painting them, and man, I have to say I like these Vallejo paints. So there you go. So I'm going to throw it on the turntable for a final reveal. Okay, so I officially have an armor section of my display case. So there we go. Finished the tank and just published a video of the Jeep. So my first 2 armor pieces, and I'm looking forward to more. And I expect there will be more, because when the girls asked me what I wanted for Christmas, I sent them this video. So anyway, hope you enjoyed that. And one more time, I want to thank David Chin for his help on this and the inspiration that he provided. So as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling. And if I don't see you before then, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.